Home Remedies presents a simple Vaseline trick to remove unwanted hair on the body. Vaseline is one of the most versatile, best kept secrets in the beauty industry. I'm sure most women have heard about the most common tips and tricks when it comes to using Vaseline. You can use Vaseline as a moisturizer, lip treatment, rash treatment, and many other ways. But did you know that you can also use Vaseline to remove unwanted hair? Yup, that's right. You can effectively remove unwanted hair from the comfort of your own home by using ingredients you probably already have. You can use this mixture all over the body, including your face too. Let's see how to make the remedy. What you need: gram flour 1 tablespoon, turmeric powder ½ tablespoon, raw milk 3 tablespoons, Vaseline ½ tablespoon. The steps: mix all the ingredients in a small bowl. The consistency of the mixture should be smooth. It shouldn't be too thick or too runny. For the consistency, you have to adjust the quantity of raw milk added. Apply the mixture directly to the skin in the direction of hair growth. For example, if you are wanting to remove unwanted leg hair and your hair grows downwards in that area, apply the mixture in a downward direction. Wait approximately 10 to 15 minutes for the paste to dry completely. Once the paste is dry, remove the paste, pulling in the opposite direction of hair growth. Repeat steps 1 to 4 on other areas of the body to remove unwanted hair. For the best results, it is recommended that you repeat this process daily. The ingredients used in this mixture are very gentle on the skin and 100% safe for daily use. This DIY hair removal remedy works similar to waxing by removing the hair from the follicle. This is an excellent natural way to remove hair if you are sensitive to wax, which can be harsh on the skin. If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.